Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I figure I'd do a small video on the 70 Corvette here. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. So I am removing this wood. It looks like real wood, a very thin sheet of it, but it's coming apart. And Jamie doesn't like it. You know, it's got some lines in it that doesn't look good. And I can glue it back in place, but he doesn't want it. He wants it all black. So here's the plan. I removed the passenger door wood grain, cleaned it up. So I'm going to clean it up some more. And then this is what I plan on putting on there. Where is it? There it is. It's a thin sheet, very thin sheet of suede. I think that'll look good on there. It's self-adhesive, so it's just a matter of cutting the length of it, laying it on there, making sure it sticks, and then go around it with a razor. Let's see how that works. I'll bring you guys back when I get ready to install it. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. I know some of you guys are purists and yeah, that's the way it comes. You should leave it alone. Just glue it back in place. But he doesn't want it. He wants it out of there. Plus the car's not original. It'll never be original again. He's going to build it the way he likes it. So, see you in a second. Okay, so I scuffed it up with a little emery claw. Actually, this is from a belt sander. Just cut a piece off it and scuffed it up some. Get most of the glue. You can see the stains here. This is from the glue. Doesn't look like they used enough. That's probably why it lifted on the edges like that. Anyway, I was very careful not to eliminate the chrome around the trim here, the edge, but you can see some is already missing. So there isn't much I can do about that. But I'm going to say that's pretty clean. So I'm going to hit it now with some degreaser, or rather paint thinner, very lightly, just to make sure there isn't any oils from my fingers, so that this stuff can stick. And we'll see how that works out. Yeah, it should be all right. All right, let me bring you guys back. Okay, so I found some acetone, and I used a paper towel and cleaned it. Looks like it took out some of the rest of the glue that was on there. Looks pretty good. It's nice and dry, oil free. And then I hit it with the with some air pressure, and at the same time the little flags that were on here, I guess the racing flags, fell off. It looks like the glue didn't hold up, so I'll have to glue that back in place. It looks, yep, like that. Yep, I'll have to glue that back in place. All right, so let me go cut a piece and lay it on here. Maybe I'll record it. I don't have the clip for my baseball cap, so maybe I won't record it, but I'll bring you guys back to show you the finished product. Okay, so I measured it. It's just under 26 inches and just under 3 inches thick. So I'm gonna go 26 and then 4 inches. And if I make a mistake, there's plenty here to redo it. So we're gonna go to 26 right here. Put my elbow on it. Oh, that's not gonna work. Maybe I'll put my finger on this side and cut. That doesn't feel too good. All right, I'm gonna put this down and use some scissors. Okay, so the piece is laying on there. Actually looks really nice. Maybe after I trim it, it'll look much better. So let me outline this and get the razor and start to cut. Okay, let me know what you guys think. There's the driver's door. You guys remember what it looked like? It ties in the interior really nicely. Look at it with the chrome accent. I think it looks good. I honestly think it looks better than that wood grain that was on there. All right, let's go to the passenger door. And there's the passenger side. Look how clean that makes it look. It doesn't look cheesy and fake anymore. Although that wood that was on there, I believe, was real. It was just a thin sheet of it, but it didn't look good. It was peeling off. And I don't know. It just, the texture just, it didn't match the car. Right? There isn't any other wood grain in here. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy that. Any questions, just leave it in the comments, and I'll answer any question that you may have for this. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.